has registered as the presidential petition number 1 of 2017. This petition is over 20,000 pages long, containing all the evidence that we have been able to gather, showing clearly that Uhuru Kenyatta did not win these presidential elections. We have now left the matter at the hands of the Supreme Court, and we expect nothing less than justice in the Supreme Court. So the rest is going to be handled by our lawyers during the hearing of this petition. This petition is going to be historic. It's going to determine the future of our country. And as we said, that we will then reserve our other rights. We don't want to say anything more than that. The matter is before in the hands of the Supreme Court. Thank you.
I just want to thank your team for putting it together.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank my team, the team of dedicated Kenyans.